Today we are discussing about partial fraction. What is partial fraction? What is the use of partial fraction? In elementary algebra, we learn the process of combining number of fractions connected by signs of addition and subtraction is reduced to a single fraction. But in this chapter, the process of separating a fraction into group of simple fraction is called the partial. In the process of separating the partial fraction into group of simple fraction is called the partial fraction of the given fraction. For- Before going to partial fraction, we have to know the polynomials. An expression of the polynomial. An expression of the form a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on n, where n is positive integer and a naught an a1 a2 a up to an are real numbers called nth degree polynomials of x. So, for example, 2 into x power 5 plus 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x square minus 6x plus 20 is polynomial of degree. This is the one of the polynomial. So, first of all, rational fraction. What about rational fraction? If f of x and g of x are two polynomials where f of x not equal to 0, then f of x by g of x is called a rational fraction. Once again, rational fraction. If f of x and g of x are two separate polynomials and g of x not equal to 0, then f of x by g of x is called the rational fraction. Here, g of x not equal to 0. If g of x is 0, then it will become infinity. So rational fraction is f of x by g of x is called the rational fraction. Example 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2, or x square plus 1 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1, or x power 4 plus 2 by 4x square plus 3x minus y are rational fraction. So these are two types. Partial fraction. A rational fraction f of x by g of x is called proper fraction if the degree of the g of x is greater than the degree of f of x. Degree of g of x is here greater than the degree of f of x. Example 2x plus 1 by x square plus 5x plus 9. Here, suppose f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 9. Here, numerator degree is less than the denominator degree. Numerator degree 2x plus 1 is single degree. But denominator degree is x square plus 5x plus 9. So denominator degree is second degree. So g of x degree is greater than the f of x degree. And also one more example, 3x plus 2 by x cube plus 1. Here numerator degree is first degree, denominator degree is third degree. And one more example is x square plus 1 by denominator is x square minus 1 into x plus 2. Here numerator degree is second degree. But denominator is x square minus 1 is second degree and x plus 1 is first. 2 plus 1 is 3. So denominator degree third degree, numerator degree is second degree. Here f of x degree is less than the g of x. It means g of x degree is greater than the f of x. Note the degree of denominator must be greater than the degree of numerator. And also one more fraction is improper fraction. A rational fraction f of x by g of x is called an improper fraction if the degree of g of x is less than or equal to degree of f of x. So improper fraction is exactly opposite work. Just here example 4x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 x plus 2. Here numerator degree is 4x square plus 3x plus 2 second degree and denominator degree x plus 1 into x minus 1. So first degree into first degree. So x minus 1 is first degree and x plus 1 is also 1 plus 1 is 2. So denominator degree also 2. Both numerator and denominator are equal. So our definition says that degree of g of x less than or equal to degree of f of x, less than or equal to or less than. Denominator degree is less than, numerator degree is greater than. So next example, x power 4 plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x minus 1. Numerator degree is 4 but denominator degree is 3. So g of x is degree is less than or equal to f of x. This is reverse. Partial fraction. Expressing a rational fraction as the sum of two or more simple fraction is called resolving a given fraction into partial fraction. Now we discuss the methods of resolving a given rational fraction into partial fraction. Method to resolve fraction into partial fraction. So first method is the denominator g of x contains non-repeated linear factor. Non-repeated linear factor, example ax plus b. To every factor of the form ax plus b of the denominator, a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b must be assumed. Here a is a constant which can be found. Solve. Resolve 3x plus 1 3x by x minus 2 x plus 1 into x plus 1 into partial, and one more example is 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 9 into partial fraction. So solve first example. Listen carefully and see. Let solution. Let 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Here denominator have two factors, that is x minus 2 and x plus 2. We take numerator as split it as a by x minus 2 and capital B by x plus 2. In this method we have to find the capital A and capital B values only. Find the capital A and capital A and substitute in that place. So 3x by x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. This is the partial fraction expression. Next to LCM it. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2, denominator is x minus 2 x plus 1. So in LHS equation denominator and RHS equation denominator are same, cancel the LHS and RHS denominator. So numerator equal to 3x equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Put x equal to place 2. Here b into x minus 2 means put, if x equal to 2 then it will become b into 0. So in this process we get the a value. Put x equal to 2 in equation 1, we get, put in place of x as 2, 3 into 2 equal to a into 2 plus 1 plus b into 2 minus 2 is 0. So 3 into 2 is 6, so a into 2 plus 1 is 3. So 6 equal to 3a, a equal to 6 by 3, that equal to a equal to 2, and a value is 2. Next we have to find a b value. A into x plus 1 means put in place of x as minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That become a is 0. A into 0 is 0. In this process, we get b value. So put x equal to minus 1 in equation 1. 3 into minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, plus b into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 equal to minus 3b. This implies b equal to minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to 1. 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to, here a value equal to and b value equal to 1. Substitute in place of equation a and b values. 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 2 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1. Second second example. Let 1 by, second question, 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 9. Here denominator have two factors, separate factors, that equal to a, split into two parts, that is capital A by x minus 4 plus b by x minus 9. So LCM it, a into x minus 9 plus b into x minus 4 by x minus 4 into x minus 9, that equal to, cancel LHS equation, RHS equation, denominator x minus 4 and x minus 9, x minus 4, x minus 7. So therefore numerator 1 equal to a into x minus 9 plus b into x minus 4. In this, we have to find out capital A, capital B value. Put x equal to plus 4 in equation, above equation, that equal to 1 equal to A into, put in place of x as 4, that is 4 minus 9 plus B into 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 into B is 0. Therefore, 1 equal to A into 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Minus 5A equal to 1, this implies A equal to minus 1 by 5. Put x equal to, so a value equal to minus 5, put x equal to 9. So 1 equal to a into 9 minus 9 is 0, 0 into a is 0. Next, b into 9 minus 4 is 5b. So 1 equal 5, b equal to 1 by 5. Substitute a and b values in capital A and capital B places. That equal to 1 by x minus 4 by x minus 9 equal to 1 by 5 into here a value is minus 1. So a value equal to minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into x minus 4 plus b by b means 1 by 5 into x minus 9. Next question. Next question, resolve 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into partial fraction. And also one more question is 1 by x minus 5 x minus 7 into partial fraction. First question, 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 2x plus 3 equal to split into two parts. That is, here denominator have two factors, x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. So a by x minus 1 plus b by 2x plus 3 is equal to LCM it both a into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. That equal to denominator, both denominator LHS RHS denominator same, so cancel it, x minus 1 2x plus 3 cancel. So numerator is 2x minus 1 equal to a into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. Put first of all x equal to 1 in equation 1. That equal to L left hand side, put in place of x as 1 in left hand side and right hand side. So 2x minus 1 means 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to a into 2 into 1 in place of x as 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 is 1 minus 1. B into 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 left side, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 equal to a into 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 equal to 5a, that is equal a equal to 1 by 5. Substituting 2x plus 3, suppose substituting 2x plus 3 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 3 by 2. Put x equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. We get 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to a into a into 2x plus 3, 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus b into minus 3 by 2 minus 1. This implies 2 to cancel. Minus in left hand side 2 to cancel. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. A into 0 is 0. Next plus b into minus multiply right side. Minus 3 minus 2 by 2 that equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 4 equal to minus 5 by 2 that equal to b equal to 8 by 5. Substitute a comma b values in place of first equation. Next example, 2x minus 1 by next example, 1 by 5 x minus 5 x plus x minus 7 equal to a by x minus 5 plus b by x minus 5. Cross multiply it. So a into x minus 7 plus b into x minus 5 by x minus 5 x minus 7. So LCM LHS RHS denominators are same, cancel it. So therefore numerator 1 equal to a into x minus 7 plus b into x minus. This is the easy problem. Put x equal to 5 in equation above equation, that equal to 1 equal to a into 5 minus 7 plus b into 5 minus 5 is 0. B into 0 is 0. 1 equal to 5 a into 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2a. 1 equal to minus 2a, this imply a equal to minus 1 by 2. Put x equal to plus 7, that equal to 1 equal to b into 7 minus 5 plus a into 0. Therefore 1 equal to 2b, b equal to 1 by. Substitute a comma b values in first equation 1. Next, resolve 2x plus 3 by 3x square minus 14x plus 5 into partial fraction, and one more question is resolve 1 by x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 into partial fraction. So in first question, denominator do not have any factors, but you should convert it into factors. 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is a factor of x plus 5 and 3x minus 1. So take 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus 14x minus 5 equal to 2x plus 3 by x plus 5 and 3x minus 1 is equal to a by x plus 5 plus here denominator has two factors. That's way we take capital A and capital B values split into a by x plus 5 plus b by 3x minus 1 cross multiplies a into 3x minus 1 plus b into x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 3x minus 1. Denominators are same, we cancel it. So numerator 2x plus 3 equal to a into 3x minus 1 plus b into x plus 5. Put x plus 5 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 8. X equal to minus 1 in equation 1 we get 2 into let's say 2x plus 3 means 2 into minus 5 plus 3 plus a into 3 into minus 5 minus 1 plus b into minus 5 plus 5 0. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7 is equal to a into minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16. So therefore a equal to minus 7 by minus 16 is equal to 7 by 16. So here a value equal to 7 by 6. Substitute 3x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. We get substitute x equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. That equal to 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 by 3 plus 5. So 2 by 3 plus 3, that means 3 plus 9 plus 2 is 11 by 0. B into 0 is 0. B into 16 by 3. So 11 by 3 equal to 16 by 3b. That means 3 3 cancel. B equal to 11 by 16. Substitute a comma b values in case of in, in equation 1. Their answer is 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus 14x minus 5 equal to 7 by 16 into x plus 5 plus 11 by 16 into 3x minus 1, that equal to 7 by 16 into x plus 5 plus 11 by 16 into 3x minus 1. And one more another problem is 1 by x minus 1 2x minus 1 3x minus 1. Here denominator has three different factors. Then we should take a capital A and capital B capital C. Split into this equation, split into capital A by x minus 1 plus capital B by 2x minus 3 capital C by 3x minus 1. LCM it, that equal to here LHS side denominator has x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 and 3. We, we should take right side also same. If right side need same answer, so a by a contains denominator as only x minus 1. It should contain another two 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Multiply and divide 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 into a. That equal to a into 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 3x minus 1. So b has a denominator only 2x minus 1. It need another 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. So b into x minus 1 3x minus 1. C has a denominator as 3x minus b. It needed one another two denominator that equal x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. Multiply and divide with ce into x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So therefore, denominator LHS side and RHS equation, denominator same, cancel it. So 1 equal to a into 2x minus 1 3x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 3x minus 1 3 into x minus 1 2x minus 1. Substitute x minus 1 equal to 0, that means x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 in above equation. So 1 equal to a into 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0 plus c into x minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. That equal to 1 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 equal to 2a, 2a equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 2. Substitute 2x minus 1 equal to 0, that equal to x equal to 1 by 2. We get 1 equal to 1 by 2. 2 into x is 2 into 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 is a into 0. Plus in place of b is 1 by 2 minus 1. 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 plus c into 0. This implies 1 equal to b into minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 is plus 1 by 2. So therefore b equal to minus 4. Substitute 3x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to, this implies x equal to 1 by 3. We get 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into 1 by 3 minus 1 or 2x into 2 by 3 minus 1. This implies c equal to minus 2. 1 equal to c into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that equal to c equal to plus 9 by 2. Substitute a, b, c values in equation 1. Next, we are going to second method. The denominator g of x contained repeated linear factors ax plus b whole power n. So that means denominator has a single term, but it is repeated and also non-repeated. Repeated and denominator term has repeated and non-repeated terms. Okay. The, to every repeated linear factor, say ax plus b repeated in n times, the corresponding partial fraction may be taken as. Suppose repeated factor is n times. First one partial fraction may be taken as a1 by ax plus b power 1. So a2 by ax plus b whole power 2. Next a3 by x plus d whole power 3 plus so on an by x plus b whole power 2. Where a1, a2, a3, an are constant which can be found. Resolve, say example, resolve 1 by x square into x plus 2 into partial fractions. Here denominator term third degree, but here x is repeated term and x plus 2 is non-repeated term. And one more example, resolve 2x by x square plus 2x prime into partial fraction. Here x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square repeated time. Like 1 by x square into x plus 2 is equal to, here x square is repeated term, that means a by x and b by x square plus c by x plus 2 is not repeated term, that term, that is c by x plus 2. LCM it both. Here LHS denominator is x square into x plus 2. We have to take right side also same, x square into x plus 2. So a has a denominator as only x, it should then multiply numerator x and x plus 2. So here b has only denominator as x square. It need and x plus 2 also. C has only x plus 2 as denominator. It need x square. Ax into, therefore it become a into x plus 2, b into x plus 2 plus c x square by x square into x plus 2. So 1 equal to ax into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2. So cancel the denominator. So numerator equal to 1 equal to ax into x plus 2, b into x plus 2 plus c into x square. Substitute x plus 2 equal to 0. That means 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into, and r x equal to minus 2, c into minus 2 square, that equal to c equal to 1 by 4. Substitute x equal to 0 in 1, we get a into 0 into 0 plus 2, b into 0 plus 2, c into 0 square, that equal to a into 0 plus 2 only, b 1 equal to 2b, this implies b equal to 1 by 2. Comparing the quotient of x square in 1 on both sides, we get 0 equal to a plus c, this implies a equal to minus c is equal to minus 1 by 4. So 1 by x square into x plus 2, 1 by x square into x plus 2, here a value equal to minus 1 by 4, b value equal to plus 1 by 2, c value equal to 1 by 2. Substitute a, b, c values in equation 1. 1 by x square into x plus 2 equal to minus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 4 into x plus 2. Second example, 2x by x square plus 2x plus 1. Here, denominator second quadratic equation, convert it into two factors, that is 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 1. X plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x. So here x plus 1 is repeated factor, 2x by x plus 1 whole square. Put x plus y equal to x plus 1, then x equal to y minus 2. 2x by x plus 1 whole square equal to, here 2 into, here x equal to y minus 1, 2 into y minus 1 by y square, that equal to 2y by y square minus 2 by y square. Y cancel in 2 by y minus 2 by y square, that equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So our problem is completed. Um, it converted as two parts. Next example, x square minus 3x plus 3 by into partial fraction. X square minus 3x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube into partial fraction, and resolve 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus 1 over power 4 into partial fraction. First question. Let x square minus 3x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. Here, denominator term is repeated term, three times repeated. That means we take a by x minus 1 and b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. LCM it, that is a into x minus 1 whole square plus b into x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. Cancel the denominator, x minus 1 over cube, x minus 1 over cube. Numerator is x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to a into x minus 1 whole square plus b into x minus 1 plus c. So a into x minus 1 whole square is a into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus b into x is bx minus b plus c. So take out x square as and separate, and x are separate, and c are constants are separate. X square into a plus x into b minus 2a plus constants c minus b plus a. Comparing the quotient of x square in equation 1, we get left side x square is single x square, right side x square is single x square. That means a capital A equal to 1. Comparing the quotient of x in equation 1, we get right side is minus 3 into x, that is minus 3 equal to, left side is minus 3 equal to, right side is b minus 2a. B minus 2a equal to minus 3, but a equal to plus 1. So b minus 2 into 1 is b minus 2 equal to minus 3. So b equal to minus 3 plus 2a equal to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Therefore b equal to 1. Comparing the constant terms in the equation 1, we get 3 equal to, constant is 3, left side, RHS side is c minus b plus a. 3 equals c minus b plus a, that equals c equal to 3 plus b minus a. But here b value equal to minus 1, a value equal to plus 1. Substitute a b value. C equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. C value equal to, substitute a, b, c values in equation 1. X square minus 3x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Here b value is minus 1, minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c value is plus 1, 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. Next problem is 3x square minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus 1 fourth power. This is fourth power. Fourth power is we should take capital E, capital B, capital C, and capital D. This is the lengthy process. We do this problem in simple way. Put later x minus 1 equal to y. Therefore, x minus 1 is y, x equal to y plus 1. So put x equal to y plus 1 and x minus 1 equal to y. 3 into y plus 1 whole cube minus 8 into y plus 1 whole square plus 10 denominator by power 4. 3 into y plus 1 whole cube formula, a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube 3b 3 a square b plus 3b square a minus 8 into a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus constant is constant. That is numerator is denominator is y power 4. Numerator is 3 into y power 3 plus 3 into y square. So 3 into y square and minus 8 into y square is 3 into 3 is 9y square. 9y square minus 8y square plus y square minus 3, 9y plus 9y minus 16y 16 plus 9 16y minus 9 minus 16y plus 9 square is minus 7y plus 5 5y power 4. Dividing numerator every term by y power 4. 3y cube by y power 4 is 3 by y plus y square by y power 4 is 1 by y square minus 7y by y power 4 is 7 by y cube plus 5 by y power 4. So put y value as is x minus 1. 3 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square, 7 by x minus 1 whole cube plus 5 by. This is the simple way. Next topic, we have to discuss another two methods, that is irreducible factors, repeated and irreducible factors, non-repeated irreducible factors. Okay, thank you.